Yes, ma'am. Joined the class.
Hello,
Yes, ma'am.
Amar, why have you joined so late, dear?
Yes, ma'am.
I am asking why you have joined so late today.
Yeah, actually, I was like that. There was some network issue, so
So, first of all, please switch on your camera.
okay.
Until where we did in the last class?
Uh, we did till I think connective tissues, ma'am. The
Connective tissue. I started with connective tissue.
no,
Uh,
no, no, no. Yeah, you started with connective tissues. Sorry.
yeah, I started with the connective tissue. Have I completed the bone? I
Yes,
think
ma'am. Yes,
I
ma'am.
have completed the bone also.
Yes, ma'am.
Others also please reply. Have I completed the bone or I did it till only blood and lymph?
Ma'am, you have done till cartilage.
I have done till cartilage. Blood also we have done. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Can anybody tell me how the blood is a connective tissue and what are the components? Anyone of Hello. This Mithun, I'm starting with you. What are the components of the blood?
Blood, like types,
Components, yeah.
RBC, WBC, and platelets.
Can you give any one point of differentiation between them? Okay, let's say on the basis of their function.
Oh, like RBC means like it transports the nutrients, vitamins, the new what, ma'am?
It is responsible for RBCs are responsible.
Trans transporting for like RB is responsible for transporting nutrients to various parts of body.
The nutrient or any other essential part,
Uh, mm,
not oxygen.
uh,
The main function of the
ah,
is
and
to carry
and sugar.
nutrients and
Yeah,
other
then
waste.
WBC acts like an immune, like it fight against the virus, bad bacterias,
About the
and
platelets.
platelets. It's like uh, its main function is to clot the blood, like clotting of blood.
What will happen if what will happen if you have no platelets?
What, ma'am?
What happen if you have the lower count of platelets?
The blood will start leaking, and it will continuously leak, and it will not stop.
And ultimately there will be
It will be
excessive
difficult to
loss
stop, and yeah.
and it will be there will be excessive blood loss from the body, okay, that can
Yes,
further
ma'am.
lead to other problems. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, for us, hello.
Yes, ma'am.
For us, can you tell me about the bone? How bone is the connective tissue? Hello.
Yes, ma'am. Yes.
How bone is the connective tissue? Lokia, Amar, I can't see your video. Can you please switch on your camera? Amar, am I not audible to you? Yes, for us. Anything
Yes,
you know
ma'am.
about the bone? Hello.
Yes, ma'am. Yes. Uh,
Anything you know about the bones?
yeah.
Okay, only
Bones,
tell me the composition of the bone.
yeah, they are made up of calcium and phosphorus.
Very good. Please revise the other points also. Okay, please switch on your mic. Yes. What do you mean by the cartilage?
Um, they are widely spaced cells.
Okay. What's the nature? Are they hard as bone or soft?
They have like smooth bone at the surface of the joints.
Are they exactly bone?
Um,
Are they exactly bone?
no, ma'am.
Then
They are
what's the nature of the bone? Sorry, what's the nature of the cartilage?
they have solid matrix also, which is composed of proteins.
Okay. So can I say they are soft in nature?
Yes, ma'am.
Where you can find them? Okay.
Yes, ma'am. That's all.
Yes.
Where you can find them, Lokia?
Um, ears.
Okay. Then
Mhm.
ears, you can find them in the ears. Then any other place?
Nose.
Sorry, yes, nose. Within the nose you have. Then
Trachea.
sorry,
Um, la- um, larynx.
okay. Aman,
Yes, ma'am.
what's the role of the cartilage between the joints?
Ma'am, cartilage help us to joint the bones and provide support
Cartilage is for joint for what you
between the
said?
bones.
I'm not getting
It's
you.
no, it smoothen the surface of the bones.
Yes, it smoothens the surface of the joints.
Yeah,
Okay, which
and
are
its
being made
location
by the
is
two bones. What's
and
the
its
role?
location
Why the smoothness is required?
the smoothness required to help the bones to help the bones to be very quiet,
Can
like
I say to
no
reduce the
injury.
friction? To
Yeah,
reduce
to
the
reduce
friction
friction.
between them.
And also it's very flexible and
Can
it is
bones be flexible or can joints be flexible?
no, ma'am, bone is flexible, not joint, I think.
Bone is flexible. Amal, how can the bone be flexible, dear? It is the hardest component. How the bones can be flexible?
Oh, yeah. Yes, ma'am.
Mithun, can bones be flexible?
No, ma'am.
Okay, so what structures can be flexible?
Um, muscles.
Yes. Muscles are flexible. The soft tissues around it are flexible. Okay. Bone can never be flexible. Even the movements around your bones, around your joints, are due to the presence of the muscles only. Okay. Muscles are not hard, they are made up of fibers. Okay. We'll talk about the muscle tissues also. But whenever a question comes or somebody asks you that whether the bones are flexible or not, no, not at all. Bones are hard. Okay, they can't be flexible, but the muscles, the ligaments, the tendons, the soft tissue structures that are surrounding it are flexible in it. Okay, and the movement is occurring due to those structures only. Understood? Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Or is it clear to you also, dear?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. One information which is not in your syllabus, I would like to give you is, have you people seen the reports, pathological reports? You must have the elders at your home that go for the daily routine checkups or monthly
No,
routine checkups. No? Anyone of
no.
you?
For diabetes?
Amar, have you seen it? The reports, medical reports.
You mean the medical reports, like
Yes, medical
for older
reports
people?
I'm asking.
Yeah.
The body checkups, the daily routine checkups. Yes. So
Yes, ma'am.
have
Yes,
you
ma'am.
seen a section in that CBC count, complete blood count? Have you even seen that?
Ma'am, I have seen a blood report, but I haven't seen it like so detailedly.
So it's your homework. You all have to check the reports of your elderlies, only the CBC count section. Okay. Since we are doing the other parameters are also there for the fat, for the cholesterol, for the lipid profile. So we will discuss that under the adipose tissue. But for the blood, under your CBC, you have all blood components. Okay, you have all blood components. Okay, what are those components? They are RBCs. Okay, they are WBCs. Okay, they are platelets. Fine. Yes or no? There are other components also, but I think you need to check for only these three. Okay. So whenever you will see, there is, whenever the WBC count is increased. Okay. Understood or not? You can call it by the lymphocytes also. Okay. Another name for the RBCs, it is erythrocytes. Okay. Erythrocytes. This is lymphocytes. Okay. Lymphocytes, and they are, platelets are leukocytes. Okay, platelets are leukocytes. Fine.
Ma'am,
So whenever,
platelets are thrombocytes.
sorry,
Platelets are thrombocytes, right?
yes, sorry, platelets are formed. We have lymphocytes as T and B. Okay, T and B cells we have in this. T and B cells are there, which are the lymphocytes. Okay, understood? Under platelets, we have thrombocytes. Why we are calling them as thrombocytes? Any idea?
Mm,
Any idea for us? Why we are calling them as thrombocytes?
No, ma'am.
Mithun, do you have any idea?
no.
Thrombo meaning something which is thrombus. Okay? Thrombus, which is the clot. Since your platelets are for the clotting factor. So that is a kind of thrombus only. Clot is the thrombus. That's why we are calling them as thrombocytes. Okay? So whenever you see for the WBCs, okay? So your counts will be higher in those cases whenever a person is diseased or having any underlying pathology. Understood? You would be able to find that WBC counts more. Even if there is fever in the body, the WBC counts will be more. Okay? Understood? So I want you people to check this. Okay? And also, what could be the count of your platelets in the body? Any idea?
Uh, it's something like
Can you repeat?
45,000 to no 450,000 to 150 no no 150,000 to 45 for 450,000 I think so.
450, yeah, it's around 1.5 lakh to 4.5. Okay, if it goes below this, okay, it is not good. Fine, because this is increasing the risk of bleeding in the body. Okay, continuous bleeding in the body. If your platelet count is less, so if you have the cut onto your hand, so it will continue to bleed. Okay, even it is a scratch onto your skin, so it will continue to bleed due to less clotting factors. Okay, understood? Can
Ma'am,
you
what may happen?
suggest? Can you sorry?
Ma'am, what may happen if platelets are more in number?
See, they will not. Whenever there is a diseased person, platelets may not be increased. It will always decrease. Okay. Whenever, and this condition happens only in the case wherever there is a disease in the body. Okay, I would like to suggest one disease which is caused by the mosquito, dengue. Have you people heard about this?
Yes,
Yes.
ma'am.
So, whenever you see in that case, the platelets may go up to 10,000 or 12,000. So, what do you think? Something which is in lakh and it suddenly goes to 1,000. What will happen? You would be able to see the bruising onto the body parts. Okay, you will be see bluish discoloration. Fine, internal bleeding you would be able to see. Understood?
Yes, ma'am.
Those are due to the less platelet counts. Okay, understood for us?
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, if we get dengue, is there any survival chance?
Yes, of course.
Ma'am,
Dengue
can we increase
patients,
platelets?
yes, we artificially increase the platelets and also by giving the vitamin K. Do you know do you know why
Yes, ma'am.
vitamin K is given to those people which have less clotting
Because
factor?
yeah, they have clotting factors. Yeah.
Yes. So vitamin K is given artificially and food supplements, medicines are also given to increase the platelet count. Coconut water is given. Okay. So yes, for us, there are always chances of um, dengue can be prevented. Okay. Dengue can be treated. It is not always possible that a person will always die. Dengue can be treated and it is a very common condition. Yes, but what happens in this case? There is a lot of weakness. People are not even able to do their daily activities. That much weakness is there into their body. Okay, but people only die in severe cases where the dengue is not controlled. Okay, where the medicines are not enough to treat the disease or whether there are other deformities also in the body. Okay, understood?
Yes,
And
ma'am.
if yes, a person may die if the platelet count doesn't come to normal. Okay, if they doesn't come to normal or if they continue to deplete, yes, a person will die. Why? Due to excessive bleeding, excessive loss of blood, less oxygen in the body. What will happen? If there is continued bleeding in the body, there will be less oxygen supply to the brain, less oxygen supply to the heart will not be able to pump more blood as per the demands of the body. Yes, a person will die, but not in all cases, because this can be managed. We have various advancement in the medicinal aspect. Okay, so there are less chances that a person can die. Okay, if it is not controlled. Understood?
Okay, ma'am. Thank you.
Okay. So for RBCs, that is erythrocytes. For WBCs, you have T and B lymphocytes. Another name is leukocytes for this. Okay. Majorly, you call WBCs as leukocytes, but under that leukocytes, we have further division for T and B lymphocytes, which are for the immune response. These cells are the that you can call them as lymphocytes, and platelets are thrombocytes. Okay, for the clotting factor. I want you people to note down these three terms, and please let me know once you write. So it's the homework that you have to check the report and only see for the CPC count. And let me know whether these leukocytes are increased or lymphocyte counts are increased. And if they are increased, you can easily infer that a person may have any sort of pathology in their body. This is the additional information I am giving you. Okay, this is not in your syllabus. I'm just sharing the experience that I have seen in my patients.
WBCs are known as lymphocytes or leukocytes.
Lymphocytes. No, another name for major term for the WBCs is leukocytes, but under WBC we have further divisions. So for the immune response, you have T and B cells, which are known as the lymphocytes, T and B lymphocytes. Okay, but the broad term is leukocytes.
Okay.
Faraz, why your video?
Finish, ma'am.
I'm
Others
finished.
also.
Yes, I'm finished. Yes.
So can you people tell me the counts for others, other RBCs and WBCs? Just as I have told you for platelets, can you tell me for RBCs
What, ma'am?
counts for the RBCs? Just as
RBCs.
for the platelets, the normal is 1.5 to 4.5 lakh. Can you tell me for RBCs? Any one of you have the idea for this?
Mm,
No idea.
um,
It's 4 to 6
50,000.
million cells per microliter. Okay, this is the normal rate. Okay, and for WBCs, it is any idea for WBCs? It is 4,000 to 11,000 cells per microliter. Okay, please write these readings also. This is common. Okay.
ma'am, 4,000 to 11,000 only, like not lakhs, something like that.
No, it is between 4,000 to 11,000 cells. And whenever you see any pathology, this count increases. See, this can vary from report to report also, because this depends on the laboratory. So whenever you see any report, so they have also given the normal ranges within the reports only. But for ideal, we take it 4,000 to 11,000, and for RBCs 4 to 6 million. Understood? Have you people written this?
Yes, ma'am.
Should I move on to the another? Any doubt in any of the point that you people want to know?
Is this correct that we can calculate the number of RBCs by hemoglobin levels?
Sorry, I'm not getting you clearly, Faraz.
Ma'am, is this true that we can calculate the number of RBCs from hemoglobin level?
Hemoglobin level. See,
Yes.
hemoglobin is within your RBCs only. Okay. So the more RBCs will be there, the more hemoglobin will be there. That means if this is the count for the RBCs, okay, if this is the count for the RBCs, then this is the count for the hemoglobin also, because that is the pigment which is present within your RBCs to give it red color and for the transport of the oxygen. See, this hemoglobin will bind to the oxygen in the RBCs and then it is transported to various parts of the body. Okay, so let's say 4 to 6 million cells are there, RBCs are there, that means 4 to 6 million hemoglobin will be there. Okay, understood?
Yes, ma'am.
I I I can say it. I can say the opposite statement. As you said that can be able to figure out the RBCs with the hemoglobin level. No, the statement is opposite. We would be able to find the level of hemoglobin by the RBCs production. Okay? The more RBCs will be there, the more hemoglobin will be there. What happens in the case of anemia? What happens in the case of anemia? Have you people, do you people know about this condition, anemia?
No, ma'am.
Yes,
Sorry?
our hemoglobin reduces, I think.
Yes, RBC count reduces. Mithun, do you agree with this statement?
Yes, ma'am.
What,
Because
ma'am?
in the case of anemia, do you know about anemia?
No.
No. See, it is a kind of condition which is common in, especially in the case of females. Okay. So anemia is related. Loke, do you know this thing? Amar, do you people know this thing? Amar, I can't see your video, but I can
Yes,
see that.
ma'am.
Yes. What is Loke? What is anemia?
Oh man, इसमें now is your camera.
Loke, what is anemia?
Ma'am, I don't remember, but I know it.
Amar, do you know this?
Oh man.
Anemia is a condition which is associated with low RBC levels. Okay, low RBC levels, and it is common in only those cases where there is excessive loss of blood. Okay, excessive loss of blood or continued bleeding. Okay, what will happen if the count is less? The person may feel chest tightness, shortness of breath because oxygen is not supplying in the body. Okay, there will be breathlessness. Dyspnea is there. Okay, dyspnea is there. Fine. A person find it difficult to breathe because oxygen is not supplying in the adequate amount. So this is the condition which is common in the case of, let's say, whenever there is any road traffic accident or wherever there is a hemorrhage case. Okay, so there will be excessive loss of blood and there are chances that a person may die also. Okay, and in the case of menstruating women, okay, in the case of menstruating women, anemia is also common due to monthly loss of the blood. Fine. So for this, folic acid supplements are given. Okay, folic acid supplements are given
And
to
iron.
hope to prepare to make more RBCs. Yes, Faraz, are you saying something?
हाँ बेटे
Faraz, are you saying something?
Yes, ma'am, and iron tablets too, right?
Yes, iron tablets, folic acid tablets are given to prevent this anemia. With that, a person is asked to take the iron-rich food, iron-rich fruits. Okay, pomegranate, beetroot, okay, jaggery. All of these things are asked to take to increase the level of RBCs in the body. Okay, understood? There is another condition, polycythemia. Polycythemia. Here the RBC count increases. RBC count increases. Now, can anybody tell me how the RBC count increases in the body?
Can we say like eating vitamin K products?
Eating vitamin K.
Yeah.
K is for clotting factor, dear. How can it be related to RBC count?
Mm,
No, vitamin K is not associated with this. Yes, Faraz, you want to say something?
Ma'am, if we take too much supplements,
Supplements in excessive amount. Okay. Supplements in excessive artificial supplements. Okay, I can give you an example of athletes. Athletes. Okay. Do you know people who are athletes?
yes,
yes,
ma'am.
Yes. So athletes usually inject or the sports medicine doctors inject artificial RBCs or they give medicines to increase the count of RBCs in their body. Why? So that to enhance their performance. If there will be more RBCs in the body, okay, there will be more oxygen supply. Their muscles will not fatigue, okay, they will not feel breathless, fine, and they will be able to perform well. The elite classes I'm talking about the elite classes. Okay, so their complications will be linked to the polycythemia. If something you are taken in excess amount, that can lead to the RBC count increase, can ultimately lead to polycythemia. Okay, there are other cases also. Genetic factors are there where the RBC count has increased. Okay, so all these are related to your blood. Do you people want to write this?
yes, ma'am.
Okay, please write it and let me know. Then we move on to the areolar and adipose tissue.
Ma'am, should we have to move to nerve tissue?
Sorry,
What about nerve tissue?
nervous tissue.
Yeah.
Midhun, I can't get you here, dear.
Nerve tissue, right? I think,
Nervous tissue, you are asking me?
yeah. We have to move to nerve
Nervous
tissue.
tissue. Nervous tissue are related to your
No,
brain.
no. I said that we have to move to your nerve tissues after this.
No, after this we have muscular tissues. Then we have at last
I
nervous
think
tissue.
we have finished muscular tissues, ma'am.
Sorry,
I think we have finished muscular tissues.
muscular we have not finished. We have not even discussed about the ligament and tendon or areolar or adipose tissue. We have not even completed the connective tissue.
Yes.
Yeah.
Please let me know once you finish of writing this. Faraz, Ammar,
And
your video is off here.
Yes, sir. They are disturbance my background, so my camera is off.
You people have your exams in October?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
No,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Okay, your exams are in this month.
Ma'am,
Yes, ma'am.
my exams will start from 25th September.
So, is the syllabus completed for you, whatever you are getting?
Yes, ma'am.
Others are getting the full chapter in October.
Yes, ma'am. For me, it's fundamental unit of life and tissues.
For you, for us, it is cells, tissues, and
No, ma'am, it's not. So I completed my half yearly, and this is PT3. So they're taking from plant tissues to connective tissues.
okay. Okay. Mithun, for you, are you getting this whole chapter?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, we'll finish off this. Can you please tell me the date when you have your exam?
It starts from October 5.
October. And when do you have the science exam?
Uh, Ma'am, I'm not sure about science, but it just starts from October science and I just started revising.
Amar, are you also getting this whole chapter in your school exam?
Yes, ma'am. There are two chapters, fundamental and tissues, full.
Okay. So I have to complete it before October. Okay. Have you
Ma'am.
people written it?
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So starting with the another type of connective tissue, that is areolar and adipose tissue. Okay. So areolar, which you can find between the skin, muscles, around your blood vessels, nerves, and bone marrow. What do you know by bone marrow?
Bone marrow
Ma'am, bone marrow
means
is the
like
largest
the
one,
end
right?
part of the bone.
Sorry.
The end part of the bone. The ending part of the bone.
Ma'am, bone marrow is the largest one, right? No.
Is it a part or is it something filled within the bone? Yes or no?
Ma'am, I
Yes or
think it
no?
is a part. It is the ending part of the bone.
Ending is known as the epiphysis. Ending of the bone is known. It is something filled within the bone. Most of the people are aware if you have eaten the mutton. Do you people eat mutton?
Yes, ma'am. Yes.
Yes, others also.
Yes, ma'am.
So if you can observe a slimy thing coming out of that bony part,
What, ma'am?
Which part?
that's that slimy soft part that is coming out of that bone.
Yes,
If
ma'am.
you people have eaten the mutton, then a slimy part is there within that bone, which you usually apply pressure to take it out. Yes or no? That
Yes,
is
ma'am. Yes,
white
ma'am.
Yes.
colored. That is white colored. Okay, or pale colored. That is the bone marrow.
Ma'am, you're
Okay.
saying that two bones which is attached to one meat?
Sorry?
Yes, yes. And
Sorry, I can't hear you.
you're saying the two bones which is attached to one piece, right? You have to
Two
pull it
bones
both.
attached to.
One piece of meat.
I'm not getting you, dear.
Okay, ma'am. Nothing, nothing.
See, that is the slimy part which is present into your bone. Okay, fine. So there you can find the areolar tissue around the blood vessels. The blood vessels are the what are blood vessels? Which are conducting your blood. Okay, your veins and arteries. Okay, nerves are there for that are related to your nervous tissue. We will talk about these nerves in detail whenever we'll be talking about the nervous tissue. Okay, so what's the role? That it fills up the space inside the organ. Okay, supports internal organs and help in that tissue repair. Okay, So it is filling up a space. As I said, for the bone marrow, it is something which is filling up the space only. Okay. And supporting all the internal organs and help them in their repairing. Okay. Now coming on to the, if you can observe this diagram. Okay. So this is the vessel, and around this you would be able to find the areolar tissue. Okay. You have the plasma cells, you have the fibroblast, all of them are there, and this is around the blood vessel. Okay. Now adipose tissue, adipose something which is related to the fats. Okay, can you tell me where the fat stores in the case of male and where it stores in the case of female? Any one of you?
Adipose.
No, the deposition of the fat.
Mm,
It is different in the case of females and males, where you can find the deposition of the fat more in the body.
Ma'am, males in muscles,
Sorry?
males
Hello?
like muscles growth, right?
See, in the case of females, it is more at the lower part, usually in the thighs. Okay? Below the waist. That is the common site for the fat deposition in the case of females. And in the case of males, it is usually at the belly region, around your stomach, okay? Around your abdomen. Got it?
yes, ma'am.
Yes or no?
Yes,
Is
yes.
it fast? Is the fat important in your body? Do we require
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
fat?
ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. We need some fats
Why?
because it gives energy
Okay.
and
It
like
helps us to recover fast from a
Fat
fever.
molecule is equal to
Help us
3
the
carbs.
body.
Can I say it also provides cushioning? Okay, why do we need the fats? First of all, he said for the energy. Okay, then what you said? No. For us, why do we need fats in our body?
Uh, because fats give more energy than carbohydrates.
Okay, energy point Mithun has already told us. Any point apart from this?
Uh,
Can I say it provides a cushioning effect?
It
Cushioning
protects the
effect in the
organ.
body.
yeah, good fats.
Yes, Lokia, you were saying something?
It protects the organs.
Yes, it protects the organs. Then
And it
It
helps
keeps
the
us warm.
and it improves the function of heart. Some good fats like omega 6.
very good, very good. That is, there are two types of fats in your body: high density lipoprotein and low density lipoprotein. One is a good fat and other is a bad fat. Okay, or the cholesterol. Fine. So yes, as you said, protects the or improves the functioning of the heart. I can say yes or no. Improves the functioning of heart.
Yes, ma'am.
Any other point? Improves functioning of heart. Okay, what happens when the fat is in excessive amount? Let's say more than required amount. What will happen? Hello?
You become
What what it will cause if the excessive amount of fat is there? Mithun,
what, ma'am?
what happens when fat is in excessive amount in the body?
Uh, Excessive amount means like the cholesterol will increase.
The cholesterol levels will increase, then what will be
Then
the impact on the body of the individual?
can
It
we
will
say
block
that
the supply of blood from arteries to heart.
Sorry, Faraz?
It will block the supply of blood to heart.
Very good. That is the form of atherosclerosis. Okay, that you are telling me. There will be the form of plague in the fat layer will be there within your blood vessels that will cause hindrance in the blood flow and further lead to the heart attack in those cases. Can I say a very simple word? Obesity. Excessive fat in the body
ma'am,
can lead
obesity means like if we didn't eat for a long time,
to,
we'll get some.
no dear. Obesity is something excessive fat when you are not utilizing it and it is accumulating in your body, and this obesity will further lead to heart attack. As Faraz said, formation of fat layer in the vessels, formation
Yes,
of
ma'am.
fat layer in vessel blocking the blood flow, vessel
Yes,
blocking
ma'am.
the blood flow. There are other conditions also which are linked to your obesity, that can be the diabetes also. Okay? Heart risk is under cardiovascular. Obesity can cause any disease in your body. Okay, so that's why it is always said to those patients which are cardiovascular patients or your diabetic patient, hypertensive patients, or kidney failure patients are there. So they are always asked to manage their weight. Okay, if their weight will be managed, then the body will function properly. Understood? So where you can find this fat can be found below the skin and between the internal organs, and they are made up of a filled of flat globules. Are these globules or not? These are these globules? Yes. So you have the fats within them.
Yes.
Okay? And it acts as an insulator. Now, what do you mean by this statement? It acts as an insulator.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Giving you an example, a person who is lean, who is not obese, and a person who is obese, which one will likely to feel more heated?
Heated.
The one thin,
Yes, Faraz,
sorry.
The,
The one who
the
is
fat
not
one.
obese.
the one which is not obese.
Yes.
Mathun, what do
And
you think?
who is obese.
Who is more
Don't.
likely to feel more heated? Faraz said the lean person. What do you think, Mithun?
No,
And can I say?
Then, which person?
And can I say?
the obese person.
Okay, why
Ma'am,
obese person? Yes, Ammar,
I
I think the obese one.
the obese person. Lokia, what do you think? The obese or the lean person?
Obese.
Obese person. Okay, Amar, why the obese person?
Ma'am, because obese has the fat and the lean has the muscles and bones.
It goes into the muscles and bones. This you are saying.
Yeah.
No, this could not be the reason. Your answer is correct, but this is not the reason.
Yeah, I'm saying that the obesity, the one is obesity, he has many fat. So when he get heats, he get more heat. Then the person who is lean, like the lean is stronger than the fatter one. He has less injury.
Mithun, what do you think? Why the obese person is
ma'am, some
more
people like obese person will be more fat, and some people will ignore because of that reason. And whereas the lean person, at least they will consider like a normal human being. not like a normal human being in the sense like
Obese person is also a normal human being, but
not like that. How to say? I can't explain it, but the thing is, he'll be too fat, and
okay. Yes,
and
Lokia, what do you think?
Ma'am, I have another class now.
You have another class now.
Yes, ma'am.
So I want you to take the screenshot of this and you can write it after the class.
one minute.
Okay. Listen the reason why. Because the reason is it acts as an insulator. Heat cannot be passed through it. So there will be entrapment of the heat in the case of obese patient. Okay. Obese patients have more fats and that fats will absorb more heat in the body. Okay. They are acting as an insulator. That means heat will not pass through it. Okay. And hence it will